Today, we're diving into Lesson 2, Exchanging Basic Information, focusing on your company and where you come from. We'll learn the essential phrases for asking and answering these common questions, both formally and informally. Let's begin with your origin, where you come from. In a formal setting, perhaps with a new colleague or someone you've just met in a professional context, you would ask, Woher kommen Sie? Say it with me. Woher kommen Sie? That's Woher kommen Sie? This means, where do you come from? The word woher means from where, and kommen is the verb to come. Sie is the formal you. To answer, you would say, Ich komme aus den USA. That's Ich komme aus den USA, which means I come from the USA. Or Ich komme aus London. Ich komme aus London. I come from London. The key word here is aus, which means from, when talking about your origin. Now, for more casual situations with friends or people your age, you'd use the informal du. The question becomes, Woher kommst du? Woher kommst du? Where do you come from? The answer remains very similar, just with the ich form of the verb. Ich komme aus Canada. Ich komme aus Canada. I come from Canada. Or ich komme aus Berlin. Ich komme aus Berlin. Notice how aus is consistently used for from when talking about your origin. Great! Now let's move on to discussing your company or where you work. This is another very common question in initial conversations. Formally, you'd ask, Wo arbeiten Sie? Say it slowly. Wo arbeiten Sie? That's Wo arbeiten Sie? This translates to where do you work? Wo means where, and arbeiten is the verb to work. To respond, the most natural and common way is to say, Ich arbeite bei Siemens. Ich arbeite bei Siemens. This means I work at Siemens. The crucial word here is bei, B-E-I, which acts like at or with when referring to the company you are employed by. This is the natural way Germans express it. A common mistake English speakers make is using für, which means for, as in Ich arbeite für Siemens. While not entirely wrong, bei is much more idiomatic and expresses that you are part of that company, rather than just doing work on behalf of it. So remember, bei for your employer. For informal settings, with friends or peers, you'd use du again. Wo arbeitest du? Wo arbeitest du? Where do you work? The answer follows the same pattern. Ich arbeite bei Google. Ich arbeite bei Google. I work at Google. Or ich arbeite bei der Deutschen Bank. Ich arbeite bei der Deutschen Bank. I work at Deutsche Bank. You might also hear or use a slightly shorter way to express your company affiliation. Ich bin bei Siemens. Ich bin bei Siemens. This literally means I am with Siemens, and it's a perfectly acceptable and common way to state your company. It conveys the same meaning as I work at Siemens. Let's put these together in a quick exchange. Imagine a formal situation. Person A asks, Woher kommen Sie? Where do you come from? Person B replies, Ich komme aus den USA. Und Sie? Wo arbeiten Sie? I come from the USA. And you? Where do you work? Person A responds, Ich arbeite bei BMW. I work at BMW. Now, an informal exchange. Person A asks, Woher kommst du? Where do you come from? Person B replies, Ich komme aus Spanien. Und du? Wo arbeitest du? I come from Spain. And you? Where do you work? Person A responds, Ich bin bei Microsoft. I am with Microsoft. Notice how both Ich arbeite bei and Ich bin bei are natural and correct for stating your company. For your origin, you can also sometimes hear Ich bin aus den USA. Literally, I am from the USA, which is also perfectly fine, though perhaps Ich komme aus is slightly more common. The key takeaway today is mastering aus for your origin and bei for your company. These two small prepositions are crucial for sounding natural and clear when exchanging basic information in German. Practice saying these phrases out loud, substituting your own country, city, and company. The more you use them, the more confidently they'll roll off your tongue. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you in our next lesson.